Imagine battling chronic illness every day and still making 500 plus a month without ever showing your face. This isn't a fantasy, it's a game-changing reality, and I'm about to show you how. In this video, I'm pulling back the curtain to show you exactly how to build a faceless content empire using tools like InVideo AI, social media, Canva, and ChatGPT. I'll walk you through the entire process, from creating content to getting it in front of the right eyes. And here's the twist. I'll rate each step based on the energy it takes, how much it costs, and how easy it is to do. Then, we'll decide together if it's worth your time. Because if you're chronically ill like me, every spoon of energy matters. And this channel is all about finding real ways to make passive income without wasting what little time and strength we have. Let's get into it. Take a look at Motivation Mafia. This is a prime example of what's possible as a faceless content creator. With 2.5 million subscribers, they've built a powerhouse brand. You don't need millions of followers to start earning. Accounts with just 1,000 followers and high engagement rates can start making money. But we will not be relying just on Instagram followers to start earning. Let me show you how. So first, we will create an Instagram theme page similar to Motivation Mafia. Ask ChatGPT to give me 10 profitable niches for an Instagram theme page that can generate at least $500 per month. You don't need a PhD in mental healthology or whatever. You just need Wi-Fi and a little help from our buddy, ChatGPT, to generate profitable, faceless Instagram niches. Think of it as the brainstorming assistant you didn't know you needed. For this example, let's go with the mental health niche. Give me viral and scroll-stopping Instagram Reels quotes ideas on my topic. Then you will place your topic in. Here's what it suggests. Mental health tips, mindfulness moments, motivational quotes. I'm going with motivational quotes because they're low energy, high impact, and let's be real. Who doesn't need a solid "you've got this" when life feels like a never-ending flare? They perform well, are super easy to create, and require minimal spoons. We'll use InVideo AI, a magical tool that whips up videos for you, even if your editing skills begin and end with cropping photos. Here's how to do it. 1. Sign up for InVideo AI. Link in the description. Don't worry, it's easy peasy. 2. Select Create AI Video, Instagram Reels. 3. Copy the mental health content idea from ChatGPT and paste it into InVideo AI. Now, follow the prompts. I am going to pick a fast-paced video. Then I will choose Instagram Reel. I will paste the ChatGPT prompt into the generate bar. Then I will pick fast and energetic music. I will use bold and popping subtitles. Language English. I will pick the voice I want and gender. Then hit generate. Make sure you watch the full YouTube video because I'm rating this side hustle with our chronic illness-friendly system. You won't want to miss the final score. It could change how you see this side hustle. I will then select the length of the video, the audience, and the platform. Okay, here it is.
Ready to zen out? Let's dive into my mindfulness toolbox. Essential oils for instant relaxation breathing exercises to reset a weighted blanket for cozy comfort, and my favorite mindfulness app to stay grounded. These tools help me stay mindful despite my chronic illness. What's in your toolbox?
Now, to edit the reel, We type into this box and type a call to action.
Share in the comments below.
Wow. So there, it added my call to action. Now, we will head back to ChatGPT to ask it for an Instagram name. Give me a catchy name for my Instagram theme page. I will go with Mindful Resilience. Now let us design a logo in Canva. Go to Canva, open your browser and visit Canva. Search for logo. Once logged in, click on the search bar at the top and type logo. Select logo from the drop-down to be directed to the logo design section. Canva will show you a variety of logo templates based on different industries and styles. Browse through the options and pick a template that suits your brand style. Don't worry if you don't find something perfect. You can customize it fully. Click on the text in the logo template to edit it. Replace the text with your brand or company name. If the font doesn't match your vision, you can select a new font. Canva has hundreds of fonts to choose from. You can change the font size, color, and alignment by using the top menu. If you want to match the logo colors with your brand's palette, click on the elements you want to change, such as shapes, icons, or text. Click the color box in the top menu bar and select a new color from the palette or input your specific brand color code. If your template includes icons or graphics, click on them to modify. You can resize, rotate, or move them around. To change the icon entirely, click on Elements in the left-hand sidebar. Search for an icon that fits your brand and drag it into your design. So, we will download the logo with a transparent background or as is. We need a posting schedule for Instagram that will fit our energy level and will not stress us out into a flare. We will have ChatGPT help us with this. I need a posting schedule for my blog posts, YouTube channel, and process will be the same. And it would be wise to bulk create so we can ask ChatGPT to give us something for that. Let's take this from Instagram to YouTube. You'll keep posting those daily reels, but now it's time to launch a Faceless YouTube channel that's under the same brand name as your Instagram. Your YouTube channel is going to focus on news and updates that matter to your niche, making it a go-to for reliable information. And because we don't have time to become the next Spielberg, you'll be cranking out 1 to 3 short videos a day, each 1 to 5 minutes long, without breaking a sweat or your energy reserves. The best part? You can get all this done in under 30 minutes. Why this works? YouTube loves a consistent, trustworthy source of information. If you're delivering timely updates in your niche, you'll build trust and integrity faster than you can say, subscribe. Let's go back to ChatGPT and type this prompt. Give me reputable, updated news sources for mindfulness and relaxation for chronic illness. Find a relevant news article. Make sure the article is informative, up to date, and relevant to your niche. We will open the article, then copy the URL. We will then go back to InVideo AI, which we will use to generate a news video for our YouTube video. Paste the URL of the mental health and mindfulness article into the script generator section. InVideo AI will pull the main points of the article to create a script. After generating the script, you'll see suggestions for images, video clips, and audio that match the content. Edit the script if needed. Make sure to adjust it to your own voice and style, and add any humor or wit if desired. You can then download or upload it directly to YouTube. Once your InVideo AI script is generated, copy the script you've created for the YouTube video. Create a blog from the script. Check plagiarism with Grammarly.com. Final edits and publishing. Once you're happy with the blog, make it SEO optimized and include headings, bullet points, and a strong introduction and conclusion. We will then upload and publish it to a platform like Google Blogger. Then apply for AdSense to get your blog monetized, helping you build a cohesive mental health and mindfulness brand across multiple platforms. So now, for the part you have been waiting for, the side hustle rating for people with autoimmune or chronic illness. I rated Faceless content creation as 5 out of 10 spoons for energy demand, because while you don't need to be on camera, it still takes some mental effort. I rated Faceless content creation 3 out of 5 stars for time investment because it's fairly efficient. I rated Faceless content creation as moderate difficulty. Even though it's beginner friendly overall, it can still be a bit tricky for those with chronic illness. I rated the profitability of Faceless content creation as 3 out of 5 stars. While the earning potential is solid, it does take time and consistent effort to break that initial barrier. I rated the big financial investment for Faceless content creation as low, coming in at under $100. And that's it. Faceless content creation doesn't just save time. It can help you build an entire brand without ever showing your face on camera. Whether you're camera shy or just want to keep things low energy on tough days, this is a game changer for making money online with chronic illness. But remember, building a passive income stream takes time and consistency, so be patient with yourself. You're creating on your terms. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button because it really helps this channel grow. Smash that subscribe button so you don't miss future videos about chronic illness-friendly income ideas. Turn on those notifications. Trust me, you'll want the reminders when new content drops.